Digital healthcare is the new sunrise business as technology changes its face and mode of operations drastically. Stay up to speed and upgrade your knowledge on latest technologies and master the space by watching this video, because falling behind is not an option. Discover the game-changing concept of telemedicine, better and more accurate diagnostic tools with healthcare practitioners and better patient history management. Join us to explore the future of convenient healthcare. This PowerPoint presentation showcases how technology is transforming healthcare to be even more caring and personal. It is a win-win for all. Download this comprehensive healthcare technology trends PPT presentation from the given link to ensure patient care keeps improving non-stop. You will also delve deeper into nanomedicine, which is far more effective and efficient in treatments than anything in vogue today. It also highlights how 5G-enabled devices and tricorders are supporting the healthcare industry, for which all existing systems and processes must be updated. Be up to date with the latest technology trends and use these to ease your workflow with a simple download. You will discover how, with advanced chatbots and digital assistants, all your information will be in the system and with the doctor by the time your appointment comes. And yes, it does not ignore our favorite wearable technology, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and robotics that have taken the health and fitness industry by storm. Visit www.SlideTeam.net for more healthcare presentations and templates.